Guys, welcome back. Mike here. Another episode of Mike's RC Corner. We're doing part of the series of running out the collection. Instead of doing a boring tour, we're going to just do a short video and give an update how they're doing. Over here, over my shoulder, is LRP Blast, the blue buggy here. It's 4-wheel drive. I'll have a link in the notes. Over there is my son. He's on the oval at the local racing track. And let's get this thing out and see how it is. And I'll give a little commentary on how it's been holding up over the course of time. Alright, let's hit the track. Okay guys, it's all fired up. Comes with a stock radio, of course. This buggy's been doing well. I had a Lexan wing, blue, looked real cool. It died. It cracked and broke as this buggy has flipped over many times, as you would expect on an off-road track. But we're bringing this one to the oval. I think it's working well. It's got a brushless system, 4-wheel drive. I like the look of those black rims. It's got those square pin treads. My son's here. Hello. And he's driving the little buggy. Now this has got a lot of ripple effect here, so he might be spinning out and crashing. This track just got ran last night at the Oval Program Club Racing. So in the distance there, it doesn't even look like my buggy has a wing on it, but there it is. Now you can see it. The LRP Blast is a fun buggy. Whoa! You crashing into me? Yeah, I'm in your way. That's fantastic. I'm just gonna get her up and go, do a couple quick laps. She's skating through some of that loaminess, the dust on top of the hard pack. You have to. She's a fun buggy, that's for sure. This total stock, it's even got the stock battery in it, a 2400 milliamp hour hard pack. It's got a Dean's connector. This is almost the identical clone to the ZD10, the B10E buggy. This one has the adjustable parts, where the ZD buggy has the straight plastic linkages. So this one's more adjustable, more track ready than that one. But in stock form, they both work really well on track settings. But I'd say the B10E is slightly more for a basher, and this one's a little more track savvy. So it seems to be handling this quite well. The brushless system in this one is quite mild compared to what you can do nowadays. Whoa, that was close. And we just like coming here, running some oval laps, and just the fun feeling of racing close together is a big thrill for, especially for my son. Whoa, I'm paying attention to you and not to me. So this buggy's been holding up quite well, for sure. I've only track driven it and a little bit on the street. My main prerogative with this buggy is to drive it on the track and do oval stuff like this with my son. He just spilled over the edge. So guys, just a short update on this. Of course, there'll be a link in the notes if you're interested. This could make a pretty good beginner buggy for 4-wheel drive racing. Even if you're not even serious into racing, you just want to go to a track and have fun. This is one, and you could definitely tune it up by putting the proper racing tires on and some different shock oils in it to adjust the rideability of it and dampen the shocks more, so it will drive more suitable to your track needs. Alright guys, we're going to leave it here. We're going to put some more laps in. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mike's RC Corner. It's the summer series. Run the collection, see what we got. We give this one a thumbs up. That one too, XC Racing, we got a video on. We give that one a thumbs up too. Again, Get out in RC. We're having a great time. We wish we could do it more. It's been a great summer though. It's hot and sunny. So take care, peace out, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya! See ya!